Good morning, Lower Lake High School.
My name is Evelyn, class of 2026.
And my name is Marshall, class of 2026.
Yeah, it's Friday, September 19th.
And you are turned into
the Trojan Daily Bulletin. Today's field report features Mr. Gaskell and a guest speaker from Northwest Lineman College.
Our field crew went out and got you the following scoop.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Justin Vaughn, and I'm with Northwest Lineman College.
What are you guys doing today?
So I'm here to talk about line work, so power lines and high voltage electricity, and the opportunities that we bring at Northwest Lineman College, which is about an hour and a half away.
Anything else you'd like to add?
Well, I think you guys have a great spot here, and I love it. And I grew up in a small town a lot like this. Didn't know what line work was, and was excited when I finally learned what it was, and was able to make a very good living for my family and I. And it's been a great trade, and it's very much one of those trades that is people that don't necessarily want to spend a lot of time going to school and like to work with their hands and outside. And that was very much for me, so that's why I enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Liam Eldridge, class of 2027.
What are you guys doing today?
We're just practicing our horizontal welding today.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Go Trojans.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Mr. Gaskell. I'm the new welding and ag mechanics shop teacher.
What are you guys doing today?
We had a guest speaker from the Lineman College come in and talk to our students about going to the Lineman College.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
One of my students is building this gate right here for ag department, back gates for the garbage. Jackson Bailey is the one that's building it.
Okay, thank you.
Get up, your weight up, souped up, put your dukes up, no guts set up, a sit up, flip up, watch us rip up, shake shows until they fizz up, rizz up.
UC and USC applications are open from October 1st, 2025 to December 1st, 2025. See Mr. Ochoa in Upward Bound for more information.
Study hall and lunch tutoring now available in room 49 with Miss Ava and Miss Bryn. Whenever you are looking for a quiet place to work, one-on-one help with assignments, o eres un hablante nativo de español que necesita apoyo bilingual, head in during during lunch A or B. Front of the line lunch passes are available for Miss Ava or Miss Bryn. Before school or during nutrition are valid only. For the day you attend study hall. Study hall will be held Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget until intersession, get ahead now.
Interested in traveling to Greece this summer? Visit Miss Becker in room 48 to learn more. You don't want to miss this opportunity.
Greece not your thing? What about Tokyo? We're going to Japan in 2028. See Miss Becker in your room 48 for more information.
Homecoming week is from September 29th to October 3rd. Our theme this year is Y2K. Spirit days are as follows. Monday is tracksuit day. Tuesday is animal print day. On Wednesdays, we wear pink, if you know, you know. Thursday is Throwback Thursday, think 2000 styles. Friday is blue and white, and the homecoming football will have class floats.
The homecoming dance is Saturday, October 4th from 8 to 11 p.m. in the UD gym. Pre-sale tickets are $10 each and will be on sale starting September 22nd during both lunches. Pre-sale tickets end on October 2nd. Tickets at the door will be $15 each. We will have food and drinks available for purchase at the dance.
Powder Puff sign-ups will end today, Friday, September 19th. Teams consist of freshmen with juniors and sophomores with seniors. The Powder Puff game will take place on Wednesday, October 1st at 7 p.m.
Softball open field is tomorrow, Saturday, September 20th from 9 to 10:30 a.m. at the softball field and open to all grades. Come see Miss Tara in the front office for more information.
And that'll do for today's Trojan Daily Bulletin.
The Daily Bulletin is a production of TNN, the Trojan News Network.
My name is Marshall.
My name is Evelyn.
Have a great day.